Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and may peace be upon every one of us. First of all, I'd like to greet the Rector of IIUM, Professor Emeritus Dr. Osman Bakar, members of the Management Committee IIUM, and also faculty members. My name is Mohamed Haniffa Abdul Hamid. I am an engineer by profession. My background is I did civil engineering, specializing in environmental control. I studied in the UK, basically in Glasgow, Scotland. And after my studies, I worked in a very wide range of industries, basically developing and also looking after the environment. So my first job was with the City Hall of Kuala Lumpur, where I was the municipal engineer. My duty as a City Hall engineer is to look after infrastructure development. Basically, in the early 80s and the 90s, KL was developing very fast, and there was a lot of development. And part of my job is to make sure the infrastructure developed suits together with the environmental concerns. So I planned a lot of the road works, the drainage works, the earthworks, the filing works, and a lot of bridges and so on in the city of KL. After working for about more than 13 years, I decided to leave the public sector and try out my exposures in the private sector. While I was looking to move out, I was offered to join a new company, basically looking at cleaning up the environment nationwide. And this company is called Indah Water Consortium. So I joined them in early 1994 and stayed back together with the company for about 25 years. Literally, I started from fresh, from the foundation, and built up the company to become a leading utility company in the country. Basically, the job of Indah Water Consortium is to look after managing the waste water throughout the country, and also to operate and maintain the infrastructure. So with that exposure, literally I worked with many local universities in the country and many other organizations to actually uplift the standards of engineering and also the policies in the country to actually abate pollution as well as provide a better environment for living. So one of these things was during my working with Indah Water. I also used to be a advisory panel member of IIUM in the early 2000s, and I served them for more than 5 years, I remember, under the faculty of Department of Biotech Engineering. So while working with the professors and the faculty in IIUM, we did a lot of research in the field of wastewater engineering, not only the technology of wastewater treatment, but also managing the end products such as the gas emitted from the treatment process, the liquid discharge from the treatment of wastewater, and also these biosolids. So we looked at how to actually reuse back water, and also how to reuse back the gas and also the biosolids. So I guess that actually gave an exposure also for the university to work very closely with the industry to develop a lot of new downstream activities so that the development in the future could be more sustainable. And we actually achieved quite a lot of noble findings in those research, and at the same time sharing of knowledge at the university made it possible for the university to work very closely with the industry. So moving forward, I'm very happy to be reappointed again as a member of advisory panel at IIUM under the faculty, the Department of Chemical Engineering and Sustainability. So I'm now very happy to actually share my experiences with the faculty members and also the students, whether it's undergraduate and also postgraduate, in looking at new frontiers within the engineering fraternity, which will benefit the engineering, future engineering, and also the community at large. So I plan to actually share knowledge through special talks, through exchange of knowledge, and also maybe work in some of the research projects together with the university, and also guide the university to work closely with the industry to actually develop more future sustainable practices which will bring benefit not only to the environment but also to the country. And IIUM being an international university, I'm sure there's a lot of participants not only at the faculty level but also at the student level who can actually bring back this expertise to their countries around the world, and also bring Malaysian engineering to the rest of the world. So again, thank you again for appointing me as part of the advisory panel at IIUM, and I'm ever happy to work closely with the university to move forward. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.